How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to show you how to get ready for big launches in crypto, how to make a lot of money, possibly by getting in on launchpads. And I've talked about launchpads in the past with Tenset. Just a few days ago, I made this video talking about how I am buying heavy. I even did a video just recently on why I was going to be buying Alvaro, which is a crypto token that's launching through Tenset. But here, I was talking about buying $10,000 worth of Tenset. The reason for that was because I want in on their launchpad. They work with different projects that have large budgets. They carefully select them. They give access to all the gems through TGLP, which is their launchpad program. Now, why am I so interested in this? Well, they've launched really good cryptos in the past, such as Kanga Exchange, which did an 1,800% to the all-time high. So investors got an 18x there. And that was just the start. MetaHero did a 168x, Everdome 94x, Fame MMA 30,000x. Now, typically, people can't invest a lot into these. Usually, the lower amount that you are allowed to invest, usually the better the token does. Just as someone that's been around the space for a while, that's usually how it works. I don't think they have actually talked about, Tenset hasn't talked about how much you can actually buy here yet, but I am making sure that I'm ready for this launch pad, and I am doing the max amount of subscriptions so that I can be ready to invest in these cryptocurrencies. Now, the cool thing about this is, to be clear, this isn't right for everyone, by the way. This is risky. This is not buying Bitcoin. This is something further down on the risk curve. But the cool thing is all the gems are already kind of pre-looked through, unlike when you invest in meme coins, where you're just buying like one meme coin on one network, and then all of a sudden people are dumping that, and then they're going over to a different network. There's some new narrative, and you have to like do research, move stuff around. You just set this up with Tenset. You buy the tokens. I did a video, this video, where I actually show how to buy the tokens. You can just buy them on PancakeSwap, and then you connect your wallet here on Tenset. I'll leave a link to them underneath the video. They're not sponsoring this video. I've worked with them in the past. I plan on working with them in the future, but I'm just showing you this because this is something I'm actually doing. So you connect your wallet, and then you stake your tokens, and then you can get in on the gems. And they keep on bringing more gems in a way that's really easy to like follow. It's not like all of a sudden one day they're like, okay, we're launching this, bye. Okay, no. They give you this a month ahead of time. They've been talking about it for a while, which gives you some time to research it. And they don't pump out a lot of these in their TGLP program. Like, this is all last bull market. They did 3, 4, 5. I think they did 5 cryptos in the bull market. Then they did 2 kind of in the edge of the bear market or in the bear market. Now they're doing one going back into the bull. So do your own research on Alvaro. But this video is more just to show you how to actually connect your wallet and how to stake your tokens so that you can get in on these launches. Now, again, this isn't right for everyone. Make sure you do your research, but they do have a claim back program or a protection program where if you don't like how a launch goes, let's say this comes out and it like 2x's and you're like, I don't really want to deal with it. I'll just take my initial cryptocurrency back. You can do that. You can just claim back that USDT. If you haven't already taken the tokens, you can claim back that USDT, and then you're no worse for the wear. Now, when you stake this crypto, when you stake these tokens, it is locked up for a year, so that's something to take into account. But I'm pretty bullish on Launchpad tokens in general, so I'm okay with that. It might be even easier, so that way I don't have to worry about it on some hot wallet. I can just put it in the smart contract and then come back in a year, and I know that my tokens are there. So I'm gonna walk you through how to set this up. Okay, so it's really easy once you have the tokens to actually go and get in on the Launchpad. So go to Tenset's website. I'll leave a link to it underneath the video. Just make sure you're going through the official channels and all that. You'll go over to Tenset Utilities and then go over to the TGLP Launchpad. Now, you'll have to connect your wallet. They have MetaMask, they have Trust Wallet, they have other wallets as well. I like using hot wallets. It's not connected to my long-term holds for Bitcoin or for other cryptocurrencies. This just has Tenset token and some BNB in this wallet. And you can connect it here. It takes 1 second to connect it. Mine's already connected. Go over to my subscription and you won't see this. I actually already did this just to see how easy it was, but I'm just going to click here. You'll see something like this, the TGLP program or the TPL. Now I'm going to lock a little bit more. This gives me access to essentially more launches. You can lock for 365 days. As you can see here, your token will remain safely locked and you will only be able to withdraw after 365 days. During that time, you will have access to the Tenset Gem launch platform and the Tenset Protection Launchpad. So I'm going to lock up 5,000 tokens. You can see here I have 10,000. I'm going to do this again. I just did it once. I'm going to do it for a total of 3 times so I can get the max allocation to some of these launches. You can review your lock in this service at any time. So let's confirm and lock for 365 days. It's pulling up on my phone because I have my phone up too, but it might just pull up on your computer for you. But it's basically just asking me to approve this transaction. Cost 19 cents, so I think I can make that work. Let's hit confirm, enter my password, and then should just take a few seconds here and it will say that it's confirmed. So it will take just a few seconds. Now for me, I don't know why this is. It shows up as white. I've seen other people do it and it just says like you're confirmed. It's probably my browser. I haven't updated it in a while. But if I go back here, I just hit enter again. Yeah, you can see here, I'll go back to the TGLP and then hit my subscription. It shows the past transaction. Just like last time, when I did this last time, it took just about a minute to show up on here. We'll just come back in a minute to show you. Okay, and you can see here my second staking or my second lock tokens just came through, 12:35 p.m. TPLG 5,000 tokens. Now I'm going to do this one more time so I can get max allocation. As you can see here, I have about 5,000 tokens left. So I'm just going to go through and lock another 5,000 tokens, and then I will have access to everything that they have on their launchpad. So as I said before, they look at tokens that have large budgets, they carefully select them. They've only done a handful of them in the past, but yeah, they've done extremely well from a couple 100%, well 800% all the way up to 30,000%, and Alvaro is coming here soon. So I will be buying some tokens, Alvaro tokens through the Launchpad. So if you want to do that, you can. I'll leave links to this underneath the video. As I said before, do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm just showing you how to use this and telling you what I'm doing. You can check out the links to the algo underneath the video that can give you information on maybe when a good time to be DCing into the market or DCing out of the market is. It also gives you bearish and bullish momentum indicators in case you're trading. There's also a link down there to Margex in case you want to trade cryptocurrencies, and a link down there to our tax management service where we go through and comb through every single wallet you send us, look at all the transaction, all the gas fees, make sure that you aren't paying a dime in taxes more than you need to. So definitely check those out, and check out the link to Tenset underneath the video as well. Appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.